Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get free diamond in 99 Nights in the Forest Halloween update. Okay, let's get into it guys. So I have already joined 99 Nights in the Forest game on Roblox, and I'm going to show you how you can get free diamond. So guys, if you want to get free diamond, you can redeem a code. You can go to this menu, and then here you will see code, and I'm going to show you the code that you can redeem to get free diamond. Okay, the code is Happy Halloween to get 10 candies. Just type in Happy Halloween like this, and then you're going to click on submit, and as you can see I got 10 candies. And then the next one is after party. Oops, sorry. I'm going to type in after party. Okay, and then we can click on submit, and as you can see I got 15 gems. And yeah, you can try it guys. Okay guys, and that's how we can get free diamonds in 99 Nights in the Forest game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.